Thanks for joining us tonight. As the opioid crisis marches on, medications like Narcan have helped prevent overdose deaths. Minnesota went so far as to pass a state law requiring schools and first responders to carry it. But it's not the only solution to the problem. Today in St. Cloud, drug prevention experts gathered to talk about strategies to prevent people, especially young people, from illicit drug use in the first place. Sammy Solina shares their obstacles and successes.
Putting your heads together.
A lot of our work is in schools with youth, and more we're working to integrate youth directly in that process.
I provided insight.
That's what the 50th annual Minnesota Prevention Program Sharing Conference aims to do.
We're focused on primary prevention of substance misuse, so that starts before you have the chance to start using different substances in the first place.
Madeline Bremmel is the events manager for the Minnesota Prevention Resource Center, the organization in charge. She says the pandemic has stunted emotional social growth and made kids in particular more vulnerable to bad choices. That's just one of the challenges in substance prevention.
Prevention leaders say they are battling misinformation that kids are getting on their devices. So one strategy is to flip all of that on its head.
A lot of brands, they will have celebrities or influencers putting out pictures on their Instagram or videos on their TikTok of them like vaping and being like, oh, it's harmless, it's so cool. And youth look up to them, and I should do it because if they're cool.
Fairmont High School students are on a mission to reach out to their peers and counteract what they've seen on social media.
I'm your host, Michelle Scovell.
So their club has come up with a way to reach out to their classmates. Specifically, they have seen many struggling with vaping.
I feel like a big misconception with vaping is that they think it's like harmless.
Resources are here from all over the state to share ideas and challenges.
There are new drugs that are coming out every day. Kids are being exposed to different substances every single day.
Andrea Abel, a supervisor with the Department of Human Services, says funding is also a huge challenge because effective prevention takes a lot of resources.
Tools that are specific to your culture that will help with prevention.
Work with the kids.
That's what Thomas Barrett, a youth mentor and hip hop artist from Red Lake Nation,
in northern Minnesota, there's the feeling that there's not much to do sometimes.
And David Iverson.
I wanted something that was about them and that related to prevention, that gave some hope.
You guys did that.
Former coordinator of the Drug Free Communities grant in Deer River did. With their New Day music video project created by kids in their communities.
They're more influenced by their peers and what they see through their phone than they are by their teachers in their classrooms.
They say the key is meeting people where they're at.
There's so much you can learn with stuff like this.
But that requires everyone to work together. Sammy Solina, KARE 11 News.
For the first time in 5 years, drug overdose deaths in Minnesota have dropped. That's according to the state health department. However, non-fatal overdoses are up by 11%.